You need a good man. You want a very amazing man. You want a very super man to marry you. Be busy searching for a husband, trying to get a husband, someone that you live your life with, someone you can set your life with. Let me teach you something you don't know. Behind every successful man, there is a woman, right? When David was busy in the jungle, chasing, hunting, shepherding, and all this thing, Abigail saw David. Abigail did not see the hunting. He did not see chasing rabbits, chasing. What he saw in David, he said, I saw a king in him. That's what you need to see in a man. When you see those smart, wise girls, wise ladies, when they see potential in any man, they want to live them life with the man, they want to end with the man, they want to invest, they want to put one or two you have into that man. So invest on that man, be a partaker in making his life to become reasonable. No matter how in a condition where you find that man, for now or for then, let me tell all of you something for the last time. Now is on heat, today is on heat, tomorrow is pregnant. If you don't understand this, if you don't see this in any man, all you see is all about you want to seduce him for sex, your eye pencil, eyeshadow, your makeup, your rub, your everything cannot get you a husband. What it can get you is a sex. What it can get you is a attraction to the man to pull you on the bed and have maybe one or two and it go rest, or maybe take some of your boobs, suck, your titty, good for suck but not good for marriage. That's one thing you should understand. How many men have asked your hand in marriage in the real right sense, that without sex, without opening your body, they still put a ring in your finger and say, I love you, I want to live my life with you, I want to invest my life with you? Because you don't want to invest in the life of those guys out there. You don't want to invest your money in the life of those guys out there. What you want to see is the ready-made guys. You want to check these guys, you want to know how far this guy, but they have a little cover, a little penny. You can ration like twice, put one in the life of this guy. Let's see what he can become. Just because today is on heat and tomorrow is pregnant. You sit there looking for husband. You say husband is scarce, there's no husband, we're looking for husband. Shut the fuck up, you're not looking for husband. You're looking for sex band. Sex band. And that's where you got some lot of people made a lot of mistake, when they got engagement and they thought it's an engagement. Be real, do the real thing, and get yourself in something you need to cost you something to get something that you really want. When you start putting like one or two kobo in the life of that guy, in the life of that man, to become something where you see the future of the man, trust me, that man will have a conscience tomorrow to get up and see that really you work for this. Really, you has been there when there is no kobo to make a turbo. Be yourself, and originality is all I preach to you every time. I'm still your host, His Royal Highness King Jeff Agugbaola. His Royal Majesty, Obanjena Agugbaola, is in the one of United Arab Emirates, Dubai to be precise, as you know, 7 of Ogu Kingdom, one Amoloha, one of Enugu State, Mbosi Bada, or one I tune on Ahokunoba. Okay, what else can I say? What else can I say? Iyelioba Mbarimbana Hanamba, Otogun one Amuri Bonine, Igbo one of Igbo language. God bless you. Teach someone manners. Husband is everywhere. But what you need, calm down and know what is the right for you. Invest in the life of someone. God bless you.